Welcome back to Auto Reviews, where we deliver detailed insights on the latest vehicles to hit the market. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Honda HR-V, a compact SUV that's set to redefine versatility, design, and technology in its segment. The 2025 Honda HR-V boasts a sleek and aerodynamic design, making it one of the most stylish SUVs in its class. Up front, the bold honeycomb grille and slim LED headlights give it an aggressive yet modern look. Its sculpted body lines flow seamlessly to the rear, where a full-width LED light bar enhances its presence. Optional 19-inch alloy wheels and a panoramic moonroof add a premium touch, ensuring the HR-V stands out on the road. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin designed for both comfort and convenience. The 2025 HR-V offers an upscale interior with soft-touch materials and premium stitching. Honda has increased legroom and cargo space this year, giving it an edge over competitors. The new Magic Seat system allows you to reconfigure the rear seats effortlessly for maximum storage flexibility. Heated and ventilated seats, dual-zone climate control, and ambient lighting make every journey comfortable and stylish. Honda's cutting-edge technology is at the forefront here. The 2025 HR-V features a high-definition 12.3-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A fully digital 10.2-inch driver display provides customizable information at your fingertips. The SUV also comes equipped with Honda's new AI Drive Assistant, which uses natural voice commands to control navigation, media, and more. Plus, wireless charging and multiple USB-C ports keep you connected on the go. Under the hood, the 2025 HR-V offers a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 158 horsepower, paired with a responsive CVT. For those seeking a little more power, an optional hybrid model delivers 204 combined horsepower while improving fuel efficiency to an impressive 40 miles per gallon. Honda's upgraded real-time all-wheel drive system ensures better traction and handling, making the HR-V a solid choice for both city commutes and light off-road adventures. Adaptive dampers and a more rigid chassis provide a smoother, sportier driving experience. Honda has prioritized safety with the HR-V's standard features include the latest Honda Sensing Suite, offering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and traffic sign recognition. The 2025 model also introduces a 360-degree camera system and parking sensors, making urban driving and tight spaces much easier to navigate. Advanced driver monitoring ensures your safety by detecting signs of drowsiness or distraction. If you're enjoying this detailed review and want to see more in-depth content about the latest cars, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Auto Reviews. Your support helps us bring you the best automotive insights every week.